China's aviation ambitions have taken a leap forward with the emergence of what is believed to be its next-generation fighter jet, unofficially named the J-50. A recent video circulating on the Chinese social media platform Weibo showcases the stealth aircraft undergoing tests, marking another milestone in China's push to develop cutting-edge combat aviation technology. The aircraft, reportedly developed by Shenyang Aircraft Corporation, is speculated to belong to the sixth generation of fighter jets, a category focused on advanced stealth, enhanced sensors, and manned-unmanned teaming capabilities. The future Chinese fighter jet boasts a distinct lambda wing profile, with sharply swept wings extending into triangular-shaped trailing edge extensions that project beyond the dual-engine exhausts. This innovative design prioritizes aerodynamics, stealth, and maneuverability, enabling the jet to excel in complex air combat scenarios. The video also reveals an internal weapons bay, consistent with stealth-focused designs like the American F-22 and the Chinese J-20. This feature minimizes the radar signature of the aircraft while allowing it to carry an array of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. Unconfirmed sources indicate that the J-50 prototype completed its maiden flight on December 20. If accurate, this milestone underscores the rapid pace of development in China's aviation sector. The J-50's debut comes amid a global push to develop sixth-generation fighter jets, with the United States, Europe, and Japan all advancing their own programs. While China has not formally disclosed the J-50's capabilities or objectives, the platform appears to aim for dominance in a future where air combat will rely on networked, stealthy, and multi-role aircraft. By introducing the J-50, China signals its intent to compete on the world stage not only in quantity, as seen in its large fleet of fifth-generation fighters like the J-20, but also in quality with advanced next-generation designs. As the J-50 undergoes testing, analysts predict it will enhance China's ability to project power and challenge adversaries in contested airspace. With features designed for long-range missions and stealth operations, the jet is expected to bolster China's air capabilities in regions like the South China Sea.